This is my 8th time in Hong Kong, pero first time ko matry yung night cruise sa Victoria Harbour. Perfect addition to sa itinerary nyo on your first day or last night in Hong Kong. We booked the 6:30 PM slot on Klook and it turned out to be the perfect time for us. The cruise lasts about 45 minutes and kasama na dun ang unlimited juice and soda. Yes guys, unlimited. So you can enjoy some drinks while having a nice view of the harbor. Don't forget, you can book this in Klook and use the code ATEICIA para makatipid kayo. Cheers!
Good evening, everyone. Hiya. How's it so far? How is going so far? You like Hong Kong?
Yes!
This is the most luxury hotel in Hong Kong. 45 minutes of boat trip. I will explore Hong Kong with you. I will explain some spots to you, and meanwhile, I will take pictures of you with my professional camera. This is all included and complimentary.
Yay!
Now I will give you a tour on the Kowloon side, and when we're going to the Hong Kong Island side, it will be the photo taking section. So stay tuned. We will take pictures when we're going to the Hong Kong Island side. Okay, everyone, before we start our tour,
1,000 pesos lang sa cruise na to, American and drinks, and mga chips na snacks na
yeah, the Queen. But which country? From which country?
Gagi pa.
Yeah, exactly. However, after the Queen Victoria from England, because Hong Kong was once colonized by England for over 106 years.
It's good. It's nice.
Okay, man. If you like it, you can also buy it as a fragrance.
Masarap siya.
One of the features of this
Parang nori
festival.
flavor.
Also, if you like art creation and exhibition, definitely
Sarap yun yung vegetable. Medyo ganun.
So if you like
The
it,
vibe was super chill, the boat wasn't too crowded, and the seating was comfortable. You get to enjoy the breeze, the open sea, the open water, and of course, the city skyline slowly lighting up. We chose the Victoria Harbour night cruise instead of the Aqua Luna because one, it's half the price guys. Tapos unlimited yung drinks. Dun tayo sa mas mura, diba? The Aqua Luna was like 2,000 plus pesos per person, tapos you get one drink lang. Pero with this cruise, it's only about 1,000 pesos per person with unlimited drinks na. O diba? Masulit siya. Isang sa yung humidity of the sea. Nakaka-addict to. It's not a big flashy tour, but that's kinda what I loved about it. It's simple, relaxing, and a nice break from all of the walking sa Hong Kong. So if you're traveling with friends or even solo, this is a great way to start or end your trip in Hong Kong.